Do you want me to do
You're
it?
on.
Alright. So just starting with your anchor at the top. And then we'll just do 2 stirrups. Medial to lateral. Perfect. And then we're just going to do a strip that biases and offloads through this front of the joint. And we can just replicate that. And then we finish with our 2 heel locks. So we'll start like a medial heel lock. So the best way to do this, keep the tape on and go through the back of the heel first. You loop around the heel, follow up, and you finish on the same side you started. And that really just locks in through the ankle joint. And then we do a lateral one. So exact same, starting, go straight through the back of the Achilles, loop around the heel, and follow up and finish through this outer ankle. And then always just finish with a nice anchor to lock off. And we've got a nice rigid support.